Hi, my name is Rahul Khandelwal from Khandelwal Metal Corporation and welcome to Innovate Bharat. We are a 35 to 40 years old company and we are dealing in steel. We deal in raw material, in hot roll, cold rolls, stainless steels, and we supply across India in any shape and form. If you require steel, you can connect with us. We deal in grades from cotton to high tensile to, with grades yield in which yields just cross 700, 800, 900 MPa. So all of those materials we stock in house and we have those material ready with us. In case of any requirement you feel you're unable to get it, we have it delivered to your doorstep.